every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's spinach frittata. Now these are the best kinds of recipes to make right before going grocery shopping because you can literally use up all the bits and pieces of everything that you have left in the fridge. I call them the cleaning out the fridge recipes and I just love them. So if you're curious to see how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 5 eggs, 150 grams of fresh spinach, washed and dried, 50 grams of shredded provolone cheese, divided into 25 and 25 grams, 40 grams of freshly grated parmesan, divided into 30 and 10 grams, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper. Start with the egg mixture just so that once I come to the point when I need it, it's ready. So to a bowl, I'm gonna add the eggs, milk, the 30 grams of parmesan, half of the provolone cheese. I'm gonna season everything with some salt and pepper and just mix to combine. Okay, now to a small skillet, I'm gonna add the olive oil and preheat it over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the garlic and cook for 1 minute. Nice and fragrant. Okay, now to this, I'm gonna add the spinach, lower the heat to low, cover with a lid and let it be for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has passed. Now I'm gonna season this with a tiny bit of more of salt and pepper and just give everything a toss so that the spinach wilts a little bit more. Oh, this is a beautiful sight to my eyes. I love food with something green in it. Okay, so now I'm bringing in the eggs. I'm gonna pour them here, increase the heat back to medium, and then for 1 minute, I'm gonna be pulling the eggs from the sides like so. Okay, so 1 minute of doing this has passed. Now I'm going to arrange the spinach back nicely, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let this cook for 7 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm also going to turn on my broiler to preheat. Okay, I have a bad feeling that I chose a wrong pan for this recipe because of laziness. All the good non-stick pans were dirty, so let's see, will this slide off? I tried to kind of loosen up the sides and just let the bottom breathe a little bit. We'll see. Now the very last step. I'm gonna sprinkle the remaining parmigiano and the provolone on top of this and pop it under the broiler for 2 minutes. That's it. I definitely have a couple of things to share with you, but only after I try this. This smells, my mouth's watering since the garlic hit the pan. Basically, that's the moment. Okay, wait. Yeah, that's what I want to see. That's the bottom, by the way. Oh, it will be so good. I can already tell. My God, Laura is the queen of queens. Her food It's like literally the best food I've ever eaten in my life. Sorry, Mom. Your food is great too. But I mean, my God, does it hit all the right marks for me? Okay, this is amazing. This looks so good. And if I didn't need to pay the price now for being lazy, I would have the bottom of it as pretty as the top is, because now my beautiful, beautiful bottom basically stayed on the bottom of the pan. I can still like kinda, my God, it's so good. Because there's cheese. This is like gold. This is so tasty. So, lesson number 1, don't be lazy. Take your non-stick good pan, because then, this is not the first frittata I'm trying, it will slide so beautifully out of it, and it will have this nice, not really crust, but like a bottom with a really, really nice golden deep brown color. It's so appetizing to see that. And I would advise you to actually turn on the broiler to preheat right in the beginning of the recipe, because this is a really, really quick recipe and my broiler didn't really have enough time to preheat. So what I had to do was to keep my frittata for like 4 or 5 minutes under it, because it just wasn't too hot. Wasn't hot enough, I should say. And I wanted that color on top, alright? If I don't see such color, it's not as tasty looking. So now this smells and tastes amazing. I swear, just like go to your fridge right now, look up what the bits and pieces of things you couldn't really use in other recipes that you have, and try making frittata. It sounds fun, the name. It tastes so good, so good. This is how Laura's looks like, and this is mine. I'm very pleased with what I see. As I mentioned, I love food that just has green in it. It just looks tasty. Similarly with desserts, when I see some red specks, I immediately think, oh, red berries, and I like it. I want to try it. So this is basically the dessert version of red berries. What? Anyways, if you want to check how Laura makes it, did I say it already? The link is there in the cards. If you want the written recipe, it's in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems, because I am converting every single recipe I try into the metric system as I'm using myself, and I want to try every single recipe of Laura's because her food, it's so good. Okay, while this is still warm, I'll be running away. If you want more breakfast ideas, the whole playlist is there, and I hope that this was fun and helpful and you'll try a frittata in your life, and I'll see you soon. Bye!